There are many ways to confirm the reports from fisherfolk in Masinloc, Zambales about the alleged installation of a pipe in Scarborough Shoal, or commonly known as Bajo de Masinloc by Chinese. According to the Philippine Navy, they may deploy a ship to the shoal, use satellite tracking, or seek assistance from the allied countries to verify the alleged incident.
You could send out a ship, you could use aircraft, you could use satellite tracking. Maraming paraan. You could leverage our partners and allies.
As for now, they do not have the complete details yet about the alleged pipe installation. They will wait for the investigation by the National Task Force for the West Philippine Sea regarding this report. Philippine Navy said they have not monitored any reclamation in Bajo de Masinloc.
There were reports of having some pipes spotted underwater, but we are still confirming this, and rest assured the National Task Force of West Philippine Sea will come out with a pronouncement once confirmed.
Philippine Coast Guard has not confirmed anything about this yet, but they are already investigating the said report.
Well, first of all, our Coast Guard operatives hasn't really confirmed yet the presence of such pipe. But definitely we're looking into it. We're asking those people who had the experience, personal experience of seeing it, and to locate that particular pipe.
In a report by Mike Figueras, the leader of the advance team of the civilian caravan last week, which managed to bypass the blockade of Chinese vessels 20 nautical miles from the shoal. Fisherfolk reported to them that for a month now, they have been prohibited by China from approaching the reef itself. The fishermen also saw a large pipe that Chinese had installed.
Yung huling nakausap ko po bago matapos yung namin doon, umalis kami. Ang sinasabi nila sa akin, yun, kinokol ko po yung mga tag-gobyerno natin. 1 month bago mangyari ito, dati nakakadikit pa sila ng around mga 100 meters, 50 meters sa Bajo de Masinloc. Ngayon daw po, tinaboy na sila, hindi na sila pinapayagan doon kasi nagkaroon na ng activity sa loob. So may nakabantay na doon, meron nang itinatayong tubo sa gitna ng Bajo de Masinloc.
Meanwhile, the Philippine Navy assured that they will defend Filipino fisherfolk and will not allow arrests contrary to China's threat to arrest and detain those entering their claimed territory next month.
Not only the Philippine Navy, but the entire government, the entire nation will not allow this based on the pronouncement of our Commander-in-Chief that this is totally unacceptable. It is not only a pronouncement given to us, it's also given to Japan and South Korea with the dynamics with China. But rest assured that the Philippine Navy supports the call of the Commander-in-Chief. This is unacceptable. It is not in accordance with international law. It has no basis. It has already been nullified by the Arbitral Tribunal.
The Atin Ito coalition cannot be deterred by China's threat, and they will continue to conduct civilian missions in the West Philippine Sea.
Hindi tayo magpapatinag kasi sa harap ng Chinese bullying, mas importante. It's our moral obligation to speak up. Hindi option ang manahimik, lalo na kung alam natin na tayo yung nasa tama, at lalo na kung inaagrabyado yung mga kapwa nating Pilipino, lalo na yung mga mangingisda na tinataboy sa sarili nating karagatan.
David said it's time for the ordinary citizens of neighboring countries of the Philippines, also claimants in the West Philippine Sea and those who experience being bullied by China, to come out because what is needed now is international pressure on China to stop their bullying in the area. Even the fisher folks in Zambales are undeterred by China's threats and they continue to fish in the WPS.
Ano man pong banta ng panganib sa amin pong kasubigan na pinagkukunan ng aming hanap buhay ay susuungin pa rin po namin at alam namin na ito ay legal naman yung aming paghahanap buhay. Hindi naman po kami gumagawa ng anumang bagay na illegal sa amin pong ginagawang pinagkakakitaan.
Jed Neresina, UNTV News and Rescue. We serve the people. We give glory to God.